All right. It's me, Chemo, or Andre again. And I saw something today, and I know a lot of people are very fearful. They don't want to face reality as far as with the way times are changing. And, bottom line, job security is just a thing of the past, maybe about 20 years ago. Prime example, I'm going to show you in a minute what I'm talking about. But meanwhile, I want you guys to think about becoming your own boss, doing your own thing. Like, look at what I got here. A boss life is about making your own financial, which you can make unlimited money, not with just work 40 hours and that's what you make for the end of the week, whether you're getting $15, $20 an hour, And for me, the most important thing is spending more time on doing the things you want to do when you want to do it. Whether that's skiing, surfing, golfing, basketball, weight training, and spending quality time with your family, which is priceless. And for me, to spend more quality time with my boys, you can't put a dollar amount on that. And if you guys most think about it, you probably spend more time at your job than with your family and friends. And that's something that you can't get back. And also being in control of your life. And here's the big thing. Everybody, they have tried stuff online, they say it's a scam. And that's because you haven't really put in the time or the effort. And I know there's a lot of people that get you into things and then they leave you hanging. So it makes you a little sour. But check it out. Here's the scams. Your job. You can't spend no time with your family like you want to. And you can't do what you want when you want. And you're on the bottom of the pyramid, making your boss more money and the CEO or the president of the company. And even in my case, your store manager, he's still a puppet because he's being controlled by somebody else. So my thing is, you're willing to work hard for someone else, but you're not willing to work hard and invest in yourself. So my challenge to anybody that's watching this video, take action and make a change today. Don't wait for another Toys R Us to tell you your job is gone. Or where I work, in a grocery business, where they're going to have scan, bag, and you can skip the checkout. So basically, you see this little handheld, you scan your groceries, and they even have an app on your phone so you can scan your groceries from that. And of course, thing probably takes a debit card or is linked to your account. Scan it, have your bags, and go. Don't have to wait in no line. So what you think that's gonna do as far as grocery jobs? Grocery jobs will be a thing of the past, whether we like it or not. And that's just a fact. My thing is, right here, I'm in this one program called the Conversion Pros. Man, this is like my 8th day in it, and I'm really excited about it. I'm in another system. I'm not gonna knock them, but I've been able to really learn this one real quick, and the support right here is excellent. This is the official support group. If you was to join, you would be added here, and the owner of the company is very I guess you can say very visible, which is this guy right here, David Tubbs. I even saw a video where somebody said that They even have his phone number, so when they needed help, they was able to reach out to him. But if you're interested or anybody's interested, I'm not trying to sell you anything, because we're all grown. We all make our own decisions. And my thing is I'm making some decisions for my future ahead of time before I be looking up and I be like the people from Toys R Us with no job and I got 2 kids to support. The team that I'm with is right here, the Tide Power Team. And the 2 people that are leading this team is Sherry and Mark. And I mean, Mark has helped me so far. It's been like 4 in the morning. And Sherry is always a big help too. Whenever you need help, they're there. And for me, I'm learning a lot, picking up pretty quick. And like, hey, if you need my help, I'm here to help you too. But that's just a food of thought. If you guys want to check it out, you'll see my URL on the bottom. You get a free trial for 7 days. You don't even have to put in your debit or credit card. I mean, it's like a no-brainer. I mean, why not take a test drive for 7 days? If you don't like it, you don't have to, you just forget about it. And if you do, then it's $50 a month. But if you make your first 2 sales, then it basically pays for itself for free. And the cool thing about this is this system, you're able to show people that are in real estate, health, whatever kind of business they're doing. This is something that they need, especially if you're going to be doing business on the internet. All right, I'll be signing off. And also, don't forget to subscribe and like.